Are you tired of paying exorbitant rates for restaurant equipment? Do you wish you could find the holy grail of good deals so you could save up to 88% on the equipment that you need? You finally found the opportunity. It's a one-day event and it's coming right up. Join me as I show you assets from Bankruptcy's new equipment, foreclosures, bailiff seizures that you'll have the opportunity to get your hands on, and you'll be able to decide what the price is. Let's go take a look now. You'll also have an opportunity to bid on point-of-sale systems, double pizza ovens like this Moretti Forney one that we see over here, brand new single and double door coolers. There's so much variety. Let's keep on going. There's over 800 unique items. You'll get an opportunity to bid on it one day only. There's tons of midwares as well, all brand new. You get to choose the price on meat slicers, tilting blenders, on meat saws, electric deep fryers. The list keeps on going and growing as we look at this exponential opportunity that you, your business partners and family are going to be able to bid on in this one-day exclusive event. As we start getting deeper into it, we find out that there's lots of brand new electric warmers, that there's also things like ice crushers. There's also all the utensils you could ever possibly desire, and look at all the brand new stainless steel. Single, double, triple wells. There's also jockey stations here as well. The list keeps on growing. Now get your opportunity to bid on distressed merchandise from bailiff seizures, bankruptcies, and short notice restaurant closures. As you can see, you'll have the opportunity to bid true sandwich prep tables. You'll also have the opportunity to bid on exquisite brand names like Burkle, like Hobart and such. Let's continue this as we see all the other amazing assets that you and only you have the opportunity to bid on in a one-day exclusive event. As we continue going on, do you need anything? Are you considering having a buffet? Why not bid on it and get it for a fraction of the price by auction, where you get to determine what the price is going to be. You'll accommodate any budget you may have. You can see we have lots of thrills, grills, and other explosive opportunities over here in a one-day event that you can bid live and online. So prepare yourself for this one-day event as we get to look at other exquisite things, and I'm sure you'll find at least 7 things you need by the end of this video. With over 800 unique items, you are going to be able to either outfit 1, 2, or several restaurants that you are either planning on owning or own right now. There's tons of brand names, and we have everything under the sun to get you operating in a very short period of time. Why pay for financing when you can actually own it at a fraction of the cost without any payments after the date? Let's continue seeing all the other amazing things that you can raise your bid up live or online to own.